So this is how I would do it. I just go to download the .zip. So I will do it in downloads. Here we go. So this is the zip. I download it. Now I go to my Files Explorer. I go to Downloads and I get it out of the zip. So I extract it. I'm gonna do it here again in Downloads. And after it is completed, it is just taking everything out of the .zip so we can see it, we can use it. Basically, I like to use Visual Studio Code, but you can do any text editor you want. So this is how I like to do it. But I get into the package, I just go CMD to go to the command lines. Then I go with code space dot, code blank dot. So I get Visual Studio Code. And basically, this is like my full project. There are like one, two, three, four carpets or four folders, and we have index.html. You can get to my file in two different ways. First one, you can run it here. So when you go to Visual Studio Code, you have run code with Control Alt N or just press here. So when you press in here, you go to the web page. So we just need to wait. Basically, it takes its time. Um, because it is too slow right now and I have no patience, I will go with Go Live. This is an extension I download, so you can just run the code or go live. So I will go live, and when I go live, I just do this. You can get in this one without doing it, but if you want to see how I did everything, you can go to I have no user, go to the user file, and then you go to ToDoList. So when you get in here, you can see how it goes. So you have some examples. You can mark them as completed. You can delete some of them and you can edit them. So you can change. Let's say we have practice meditation and we have leer, that is read, but we're gonna use A, just A, to see that it changes because of the first letter of the first word. And you can change everything. But let's say right now that it is urgent. So we go with A urgent and it should go up of terminar. And there we go. And some things like this. So this is how you can run it and you can try to use it. You can add some of them. You can change the value. You can add them. You can delete them. You can take them again in the place they were. You can unmark them. Yeah, just try them and see how it goes. And tell me what you think. And then the other way you can do this is I can close the page and I can close the port. This one is the 5500, but I can go just taking the HTML to do .html and I can run in here code or I can run, I'm not really sure why it says this, but I'm just going to go live. Yeah, so basically it takes you direct to the place you need to see.